Hi guys, so we are back again with the the number two unboxing. We have received so much product to be unboxing and review. So today we are going to give a review on the tweezer from the Union Repair. Okay, so stay tuned. As you can see here, we have the tool, okay, tool tweezer from Union Repair. And thanks again, friend, for the gift he sent to me for the review. Let's unboxing first, okay. So in the box, there's nothing in the box, okay. So as you can see, the tweezer itself, okay. So this one is the band version, and this one is the straight version. I haven't speak in English for a very long time, so it is quite awkward for me to speak in English. So this is another box. Okay, as you can see in the box, there's nothing left in the box. Okay, get rid of the box first. Okay, right here we have the tweezer itself. You can see this one is the band one. Okay, and the other one, we have the straight 8. Okay, let me show you under the microscope for the better view. Okay, so this is the band tweezer. As you can see, it is a fine head tweezer. Okay, and the other one is a straight tweezer. So compared to the blue one, okay, I have the blue tweezer, okay, and this is the green tweezer from the Union Repair. This is bent because of me. Okay, I like to use it this way. This is straight. One is bent by me. And what I like about the tweezer, okay, what I like about the tool tweezer is, as you can see here, okay, this one is carved, okay, with the hand grip that when you put your finger to the tweezer, it's going to give you a stress to the finger, whereas the tool, okay, you can see no cuff. Okay, so this is quite nice for me to grip it, okay, and it is very light, and also no force needed. Okay, this one is also very light, and then the things is just the cuff shape in here. Okay, this is going to make you feel uneasy on your finger, okay, whereas the tool tweezer is very comfortable when you use the tweezer in your fingers, okay, in your hand, using your fingers. Quite comfort right here. So this is the tool tweezer, okay, as you can see here, tool, T-U-U-L. Better look. Now you see the camera still on me. It's the tool tweezer, and this one is the bend one, and the other one is a straight one. So I'm going to try first when pulling the component from the board. Okay, let's see, what do we have? A scrap. I have a scrap here. I have a scrap board right here. Okay, I'm going to test with the microscope. Okay, I'm going to try to pull the chip off the board first. Okay, let's see. Let's find a very tiny places. Tweezer is fit right here, and also here, and also here. So I'm going to try to pull the one of the capacitor in here. Okay, so let's turn on the blower. Okay, let us test with the small components first. It's very nice. Okay, we're going to pull the other small one. Okay, for this one I'm going to use the straight one, the straight head tweezer. Quite convenient when pulling the, whereas you don't have the space to pull the small component right here. Okay, I'm going to test it. Wait. Ah, never mind. This is a scrap board. Okay, I'm going to try to put the NFC. Okay, it does a good quite grip. Good grip. Okay. Wait. Okay, actually the band one is nice one. Okay, you see here you have the small resistor in here. I'm going to try I'll try to pull the resistor off the board. Okay. Yeah, actually this one is quite good. Okay. Let's try another one, another capacitor in here. Okay. Nice. Okay. Nice grip, and I like it. Okay, so for the tweezer itself, okay, there's some improvement on the grip, whereas I can feel the grip is very nice and it doesn't hurt my finger anymore. Okay, whereas the one is quite hurt. Okay, so that's all for the video review, for the tweezer review for today, and for this video also sponsored by the Union Repair.